back to the channel, Beauty Queen. It's your girl Alita. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and like, share with your friends. So today, basically, all I'm gonna be doing is to show you how to rock your natural hair. If you have a 4C hair, you want to wear it because it's summer, you want to wear it out, but your length is too short and it look really weird. So wearing it doesn't look cute. This is the perfect way to do your hair so you can wear it natural. Like this is my natural hair all in the front, and I just do a little bit of click in to make it look a little forward and like, you know, nice. Like, you feel me, y'all? So yeah, let's just get right into the video.
So guys, I'm gonna start the hair by like, just I have this twist in my hair for a week. I'm gonna unwrap the twist. Like, when I unwrap my twist, it kind of come out curly. So if you want for your hair to really blend in, you can do that. Like, do a little twist and then unwrap it, or just use leave-in conditioner to twist your hair so you can get the perfect look that you want. So all I'm doing is literally untwisting my twist that I had in the night before, and then after that I must get into like doing the hair. So I'm taking like a little section of my hair in the front, and that little section is where I'm gonna do the leave out so that it can blend in with the rest of the hair, so the hair can be natural, so it can look really natural. So I'm just gonna separate a little section in the back and do the click in. But to be honest, the padding is really not necessary, or it's not important for this hairstyle. You just want to make sure that the hair is full in the back. That's it. And I have this leftover hair from my past sew in. So I turn the hair into like a click in. That's the hair I'm gonna be using today. It's really natural. That's what I like the hair. So to make sure that the hair blend in well my hair, when that hair spread it, comb it, and then just click it into my hair. It's really easy, y'all. Just open a lock and lock it in, and it just like stay really secure on your hair. It's not coming out, it's not going anywhere. I do that like throughout the video. I literally comb the hair and water spray it so it can match with my natural hair. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. It's very simple, y'all.
Like blending in with my natural hair. It actually look like my natural hair. This is crazy. Well, sis, you gotta fake it until you make it. So the last one, I'm just gonna take it, and I want this to hang a little bit in front of my hair, so I'll probably put it right here. Wait, hold up, right here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna spray it and then lay the edges down. I'm gonna spray it. This is a hammerhead, by the way, so it's just, you know, all you need is a water. Just make up with the water, and it'll give you like that natural look like you're looking for. Okay, safe. All right. So to finish the look, I'm gonna use this on my edges right here. This is the S Boost gel. And I'm gonna use this to fix my edges. And then we're gonna call this a look. I'm gonna just take I'm already running out of this, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that. And then I want this to I want the pie to show. Wavy water spray thing, but it really make your hair wavy for real. So I'm gonna just spray that. You see, bitch, you can't tell me I'm bald no more. I'm not bald, bitch. I'm not bald. I just all for you, bitch. I'm not bald no more. I am done. Take it until you make it. Yeah, take it until you make it. Yeah. Okay, so basically this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. See you.